So I really don't know why, but it took me like 45,000 tries to get this intro right. So I just put it in fast motion. So yeah. Alright, so this is the 2016 Blood Orange Sunday Broadcaster. It's really nice. I like it. So we're going to go ahead and start from the top and go to the bottom. Alright, for the grips. They are Chris Charger grips or something like that. I don't know. They have this like leaf on them, and they're like kind of weird. I don't really like them. They're pretty grippy, but I'm not a big fan of them really. I'm probably gonna get some black ODIs and put them on there. But they do have this like really cool Odyssey flange crap. It says Odyssey on it and stuff, but it's pretty cool. Alright, for the bars we have 8.75 tall bars. They're Sunday Broadcaster bars in chrome. And they are, I don't know, wide. But yeah, going down we have the Odyssey linear quick break or something like that. I like it, stops perfect. We have the Odyssey clutch finger lever or something like that. I don't know what it's called, really, to be honest. We have this 2016 Sunday Broadcaster stem. It says Sunday on it, it's pretty cool. Top load. He's trying to get around me. It's got this cool little Sunday death cap thing. It's pretty sick. And it's got this Sunday desk cap thing on it. It says something or something. And then moving on down, we have this Blood Orange Sunday Broadcaster frame, and it says you've chosen wisely for like Sunday and crap. And yeah, it's pretty much the best frame bike out there right now, and I like it. For the forks, we have the Sunday Broadcaster forks in chrome. I really like them. They're pretty sick. Yeah, fork. And for the rims, we have the Odyssey Lightning rims, or the Odyssey Lightning rims. It's laced to just a 2016 Sunday Broadcaster hub, and we have black Tom Dugans. I like them. I love Tom Dugan. Or I said Tom Dugan. I meant Chase Hawk. I'm stupid. Chase Hawk tires, not Tom Dugans. I had Tom Dugans a long time ago. I don't have no more. We have the Sunday Seeker. Sunday. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's the Sunday Seeker crank arm. Just a crank arm. They're actually kind of heavy. I don't know if I like them too much. And I have an Odyssey Twisted PC pedal in black. And yeah, I have just this like, I don't know, kind of a brownish KMC chain. I like it. And I have a Sunday 25 tooth, but I'm probably going to get a stolen cartwheel stem, or sprocket, sorry. I don't know what I'm thinking. It's a right-hand drive, but I'm probably going to get a left-hand drive spindle so I can have it on left-hand drive. And starting back at the back, we have the Odyssey Lightning rim. Again, we have the Chase Hawk tires, which are sick. I like them. And yeah, it's laced to Sunday Broadcaster 2016 hub, and I'm sure you guys want to hear the hub. It's really not too impressive. It's just a pretty quiet hub, but yeah. I like it, and I have this regular Sunday tripod seat. I'm probably going to get the Shadow Galaxy seat, or something, I don't know, Pivotal probably. But, yeah, that's pretty much, oh, I have the Odyssey, crap. Damn it. I forgot what they're called, but they're brake pads. They stopped me. Yeah, and that's pretty much my 2016 Sunday Broadcaster bike check. So see y'all later. Peace.
Go 45 and 2 zigzags, baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park, after dog, smoke that